What's good, you guys? Welcome back for another video. Today is Mother's Day and I'm on my way to go see my mom. I didn't have time these past few days to go and like search for something, but I am at the mall. I am doing a little shopping and I made my first stop at Pandora. So I'm here to pick up her gift and go look for a few more things, and then we're going to get her reaction afterwards. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get this video going. Yeah, so much cute stuff. All the mommies. Alright, I secured the first little gift. Bro, so I wanted to there's a guy with a snake. That was me. They said we have a snake. But anyways, bro, I was trying to get ready, and that way like I just have to come and get her stuff, right? I decided to wear a dress. Why is the bottom of this dress impossible? Look, let me show you guys, hold on. Let me show you guys how it would look like if I walked by you. Bro, the bottom of this dress is so tight. Look at it. I feel like people are staring at my legs when I walk. I'm trying. Okay, let's finish up the shopping and then let's head out and show my mom her gifts. I'm showing you guys mine, but this one's my mom's in there. Step 2, place 2. So hopefully she likes this and this. And then Chino's out and about. These look dirty. I told you to clean your glasses, bro. Look at you. Anyways, so Chino's out and about eating. We're gonna go find him, and I gotta go get some flowers. Because what woman doesn't like flowers? I know some, actually. Alright, you guys, now this is the hard part. It's trying to find, hold on. It's trying to find which one I'm trying to go with. I'll be right back when I find which one I want. Alright, so we went to the classics. I was trying to find the roses and the baby's breath separately, but they sold out of all the baby's breath. But let me show you what little extra step that you guys can take that is free. That you guys can do. A little extra step that you guys can take is getting it out this freaking ugly plastic, and literally all you have to do is come to like the little checkout area for the flowers, and they will wrap it for you so it doesn't look like some cheap bag of flowers that you bought. Even if it was like $12, $15, you could still make it look nice by dressing it up, because I know you guys probably won't take that a little extra step yourself to do it, so you might as well just have someone do it for you. So me and Chino are on our way to my mom's now, and I'm eating my little salad. I just wanted to go on a little rant about mom, Mother's Day, and all that good stuff. So I'm just trying to stand, if you don't mind. I'm filming. But anyways, a lot of you guys may or may not know, I didn't grow up a lot with my mom, but ever since she's been back, she's been the best mom. I always feel like it's okay to give your parents a second chance. Your parents love you unconditionally, and sometimes they may not show it. Some of them are really prideful, especially if you come from a Hispanic culture. Our parents are very prideful. Luckily, with the new generations, we're becoming more and more vocal and more okay with being loving and kind to each other, and that's amazing. So make sure you guys are being kind to your parents, and show your mom that you love her. Let her know. Make sure you're letting your mom know daily. Check up on your mom daily, at least, okay? I don't get to see my mom all the time, but I will FaceTime her, I will call her, and I will text her. But since I've had my mom back, it's been good. It's so crazy because like you really do grow up with your parent. Like my mom had me when she was super, super young. She was still a kid herself, you know. So watching her transition and grow up and be this amazing woman that she is. She always told me it's okay to start over. You can start your life over, you can start your day over. You can do it at any point and at any time. And that's totally fine. She's such a great example of that. Because if you guys would have known her when I was a kid versus the woman she is today, she did a complete 360 and she's just so remarkable. And she's so strong. And she really is like a superhero. Like, mothers really are like superheroes. Like, they make things happen for you. My mom, I literally can do no wrong in her eyes. Even if it is wrong, even if it's not the best decision, but she'll let me learn my lesson or she'll let me live my life. And she'll always be there when I need to talk to her, when I need to cry, or when I gotta vent, or when I want to be goofy, anything, you know, my mom's there. My mom's always there. If I don't have fridge in the food, if I don't have food in the fridge, she'll literally go grocery shopping and bring me food. And she'll like fill up my entire fridge. But that's what moms do, you know, like they're, I don't know. I know that when I become a mom, I just want to be the best parent ever. Like, I want my kids to feel so unconditionally loved and so cared for and just laughing and happy. And when they're sad, I want to be there for them and I want to pick them up when they're down all the time. I'm excited to be a parent one of these days. I mean, technically I am a parent because I got 3 dogs, but this day is for my mom and I'm so happy to have her in my life and I'm so blessed to have her in my life. And I'm so appreciative of it because, I mean, my grandmother, both my grandmothers on my mom and my dad's side, were the ones that raised me. And I have one grandma left, but when I lost my grandmother, I felt like my whole heart got pulled out of my chest. And that was like the most hardest time in my life, in all of our lives. It was really, really hard. And I think about it every day. My mom always tells me, spend time with me now while you have me here because I don't want to see you leaving a bunch of flowers at my funeral or at my grave crying when you had me here to spend time with me. So make sure you guys do spend time with your parents. Make time for your family. Family is so important. Alright, you guys. Well, I don't have a Mother's Day bag and I'm not going to go and buy one because that's such a waste of money when I have a bag. This is from the Hello Kitty Cafe. But it's still cute, alright? Just we don't gotta look at the back that says cafe on it. My mom is gonna love it anyway. But I love my mom. Mom! That's how you should have seen when I was growing up in Pasadena. I knew my mom was outside because she'd be like, Mama! Loud like that all the time, watch. Mama! Happy Mother's Day!
You're so crazy. Why are you screaming?
I was telling you how when we lived in Pasadena, I knew you were outside because grandma would be like, she's like, hi to my mom. She's like, all you hear outside, Mama! Look at it.
Let me give it a proper hug. There it is. Alright. She wanted to film this, so.
Thank you, baby.
I love your gifts.
Oh.
But it's so beautiful.
Does it give La Verga? Does it give
man?
Man.
Is he taller than me? How about for your boys' restroom?
Oh, so nice.
Oh.
So nice, Mom.
Oh, okay. You know your mother so well. Thank you.
A lot of yeah. Yes.
Oh, you made some fresh hair. Okay.
Yeah, that cocoa's gonna look so nice on your skin.
Oh, Pandora. Hold on. Let me see. I know I bought mine. Oh, I'm not gonna open it. It's so cute.
Come on, man. You gotta open it.
Okay.
See, you can perfectly put it back.
Are we getting engaged?
We getting married, girl. We getting married. We getting married today.
Oh my God, they're so pretty.
It's because you're my whole heart.
I love you. Thank you.
You. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, Mama. I'm not gonna cry. These are so pretty. I really like them.
Yes.
You want to zoom in?
Yeah. Ooh.
Aren't those so cute?
I was gonna get a pretty black dress.
Oh,
So you
yeah.
can see all these curves. Marcus like, I am not trying to get my mom. These are so pretty. Thank you.
You're welcome, Mom.
I was so sad today too.
Why?
I don't want to talk about it.
Oh, don't be sad, Mom. Here, give me a hug. That's so good.
Thank you. Am I married in there? Still hoping.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 난 겨울. Yeah, girl you cold blood. Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear. 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 기출돼. 꿈에도 I wasn't aware. 나만 빼고 넌 모두에게 참 친절해.